Hi everyone. Today a demonstration is about some data transformation. Basically, I wanted to clean up the column headers of my data that I have it here. This is the labor force by total residents in the country. So first of all, I wanted to transpose this data uh, to have the years on top, the to be the rows to be in the first column, and the column A that is currently here to be the headers of this data. So now what I should do, I shall use Excel transpose function to do this. So I shall copy this whole data into a new sheet, and using the paste special function here, I click transpose, and my data is transposed to the format that I want, as in the years are in a column. I shall rename this as year. And the first column just now is became the first row, which will be my header. So now, if this is my header, I want it to be cleaned up a bit to remove the spaces in between and replace the dash with the underscore, and also to replace this ampersand with the word AND. So how I do it is I shall use Power Query. So from here, we shall go into Power Query. We shall click any of the cell. We shall choose data from table/range. And here you shall tell Excel that your table has headers. Your first row is a header. And you click OK. And now you're in Power Query mode. And here we will do a temporary demotion of the header into first row so that we can manipulate it more easily. So now how I shall do this is I shall go to home, and under this transform subtab, and under this drop down, use first row as header, I click and I use header as first row. So I demote the header to a first row data. So now you can see. So from here, I want to manipulate all this in one convenient way. I shall temporarily transpose it into the first column under the transpose function. You can see here, now my header, just now what I did is I demote my header to be first row, and the first row, I transpose it to be the first column using the Power Query transpose, and now I can manipulate easier by using uh, a column function called replace value. And I shall replace the space dash space with underscore K. I shall replace, and also to replace ampersand space ampersand space with AND word N. Okay, and now you can see that it's clean, and we have a space here, so we shall end this space at the row 2. So I shall replace a space with nothing. You can see now it's clean up, and now we shall retranspose back. You can see now all the first row, you retranspose the first column into your first row, and now you can promote this to be your header by using the function just now under the transform subtab. Under this, use first row as header. So now you can use this. Just now we use this to demote. Now we shall use this to promote it. And now you can see that all your headers are cleaned up to the way that you want using the column function of Power Query. So now it's easier for you to load to SQL database where you have some standardized format for the headers they can change to. So for me, my standard format is in this way, right? Pascal case with no spacing. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy this basic transformation tips, and I shall see you next time. Thank you.